Hi lovely people, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to show you how you can view saved password on your Google Chrome, either on your phone or on your laptop or desktop. So without wasting much time, let's open our browser here, our Chrome browser. After it has opened, you go to the upper right corner there, the three dots over there, you tap on it and you go to settings, and you tap on that one too, and after that you go to password, you tap on it, and when you scroll down here you can see here password. So everything or anything below this password is the password you've saved on Google Chrome. Yes, I have a video that shows how you can enable auto save password on Google Chrome. So if you haven't watched that video, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can watch that video, and after you know how to auto save it, this is how you will view all the passwords that you saved here. So after you've gotten here, you tap on the actual password or actual one that you want. You tap on it and it opens like this. So you see the username or the email address on the first side, and then the second area you will see the password there. So the I button here, when you tap on the I button, the password will show here. The password will show. So for security reason, I'm not tapping on it. And as well, you can copy by tapping on this copy, and you can use it in logging into your account on a different browser after you've copied it from here. So this is how you see your saved password on Google Chrome browser. It is the same on phone and at the same time on computer or laptop or whatever you may have. So this is how you view your password on Google Chrome. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please share the video for it to reach others so that they too can benefit from it. Until we meet again, bye bye.